Not a small task today. This is the extractor fan we are going to install. First thing first, just a little bit of a risk assessment where we are. Sink on the right hand side, we've got an oven, induction hob, there is a socket, there is a pipe. You would always just do a visual assessment. Could there have been a gas there before? Could there be any pipes coming down? Any water, any heating? There's a heating in there, water here, so it looks like there is no risk of core drilling. Knock tests. So the best case scenario is pilot drill to see where we are. You don't want to end up drilling on the back of the soil pipe, as then you will not be able to put one of those ventilation drills on the outside. So taking this out, a little visual check, see if it's all good and verify, put the measurements on the wall so you know where you're going to put your external vent out, and from that point you're good to go. So here we go, that's the extractor hood cover. So this is the attachment that comes on top, so I can put my hood on top of it. Cable, so it will be wired in directly into the socket. So imagine, and now let's do some actual measurements. This needs to be installed at 760 from the top of the plate. It's right here, 43 centimeters. Perfect. We've got the measurements, we're going to put it here. That's where this little thing comes in. It's not just putting it on the wall and hope for the best. 760 is here from the top of the induction hob, and then we've got 17.5 centimeters of the height of the motor. The rest is 43.5. One panel is 40. We got this ventilation grill here, so 43. I will either put it higher up or double check in the settings in the book if 43 centimeters will be fine. Let's do that. Level is about okay, but maybe slightly pointing downwards out so the water will never find its ingress into the property. The pilot's through. Come and have a look. This is where we are. You can see the external render, and there is a fiber mesh. That's exactly what this is. As we are cutting that mesh, hopefully just cut it nice and cleanly. Very important is this, so we're not going to make a mess. Super glad I actually did with the small hole saw rather than anything big. What do we have here? 6mm cable, 4.5 and 2.5. How lovely, isn't it? Maybe I'm just gonna lower my extraction because that's where the top of the ventilation is, so there's no point going higher. I'll go slightly lower. Cool, that's what we're gonna do. We're slightly gonna go lower. Obviously, there is no isolation for the induction hob. Maybe it is hidden somewhere in the cabinet, but yeah, cables are absolutely right in my way. Not the electrician to put these cables here without any socket, anything. I don't think that was electrician at all. I think that was just some cowboy. We're not completely lined up with our hole on the inside, but that will definitely do. Cool. Just exactly below that joist, as you can see. Really good. That's what I need to get with my drilling. Nice and precise. So the point of drilling slightly up the rainwater, if it's raining, it's not going to go into the property because it's a very small angle. That's the edge, that's what's all go into the property, into the wall. We just need a little bit extra to attach the actual ducting, and that bit can be cut off. We need to now install the ventilation grill. Always put it with the ducting in, so you know you're right dead on center. There you go. Okay. Remember to hold the fingers inside as you put in the screws. So slide this out, fit this in because that goes, just as you can see, inside the ducting. Push it through. Okay, lovely. Well, as they say, nothing goes to waste, so perhaps we just put this piece on the top, just like this. There we go. Right below, we're actually going to do a socket. This will be connected. Okay, that's there. So we've got sockets on, we've got this on, we've got ducting. Now the time is for this bad boy. In order to install this, you have to remove both filters. Remember to clean them at least once a month, or if you cook more often, once a week, put them in a dishwasher. And we've got 1, 2, any one of those is good actually. There we go. Here. Perfect. Two. Level. Beautiful. That's how it should look like. Well, let's just try it. Yes. Not finished yet. We still need to put a ducting. Not bad so far. For this last moment, we need to put the ducting and fix it all up. So let's move this out of the way first. There we go. There. Let's hope that this will now fit in just like we want. Oh, brilliant. Lovely. All the way in. I had to put the socket upside down so the plug would fit in. That's a very neat job actually. This one over time can pierce, will become quite brittle. On the inner parts walls of this ducting, we can just have so much more dust collecting. So that is much, much better. Cool. Okay, sits nicely and flush. Yes, not bad. Give it a wipe and yes, done. Let's check the flaps on the other side. Oh, blowing like crazy. What the ready product looks like. Here we go. And isolation switch, socket behind, and works like crazy. We just wipe the surfaces, dust, and here we go. That's beautiful. And suck it. Nice.